asking my non-tech boyfriend to explain what different tech products are used for. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. First one is Figma.
Figma. Oh, figment of my imagination. I don't know. Coding related.
No. I'll give you some clues. Not coding related.
Nah.
Here.
No idea.
All right. Figma is used by designers to wireframe and create digital designs for products before they're built.
Stupid name.
Next one is MIRO. This is not just a tool used by tech companies, by the way, but...
MIRO?
MIRO, yeah.
Is it like a duplicating process, like a mirror?
Oh, interesting.
No?
No.
No.
It's related to working remotely.
Is it like logging time? Like a time management system?
No. He guessed mirroring your screen.
Yeah, like screen
sharing. Clever guess,
No.
but no. It's just an online whiteboarding tool.
MIRO? Oh.
Well, not just. It's amazing, but it's used to like do things virtually on a whiteboard. Like draw things, post-its, all that kind of stuff.
Right.
0 from 2.
Hey.
Google Data Studio.
Google Data Studio. A core, like a Google course where there's like...
It's not a course.
No? Okay. Google Data Studio. Is it sort of like Google Docs and like Google Sheets where people can collaborate at the same time?
What is it used for?
Coding? No?
PMs would use this and engineers might use this too. It's basically like a data analytics tool. So you use it to query data and you can create like dashboards and graphs and stuff. Okay, next is DATADOG.
DATADOG.
Very much an engineering tool, but it can be used by people like me as well.
DATADOG, so it's like someone creating data and a bunch of dogs following.
It's like an observation and monitoring tool. So when you create new products and databases and servers, it's used to monitor them to see their performance. So if something goes down, then DATADOG will tell you it's gone down. Okay, next is GitHub.
So a space to store coding and data.
Did you cheat on that one?
Well, is that good? Tell me how bad I went.
Like for a part 2.